Do you want to make extra income from the comfort of your own home? Today we will be teaching you how to do just that by taking surveys on Survey Junkie that could provide you a decent side income. You won't get rich quick, but if you dedicate enough time to it, you could find yourself making close to $200 a month. Signing up for Survey Junkie is completely free. Just click the link in the description and enter your info. After that, you can immediately start earning money while taking surveys. Once you've taken enough surveys and have reached the $10 minimum, you can redeem the survey points for cash or gift cards. Some of the gift cards they offer are from big names like Starbucks and Amazon. If you'd rather just cash out, they'll send the money right to your PayPal account. After you've finished a survey, the points will show up in your lifetime points column on the left side of your computer screen. A lot of survey sites don't make the points reflect on your account right away. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more online money making tips and guides.